This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate with a chocolate bar. First, gather your simple ingredients: a good quality chocolate bar, your favorite milk, and a sweetener. Selecting a high-quality chocolate is key for a rich, delicious flavor. For each serving, aim for about 3.5 ounces of chocolate. This ensures a wonderfully decadent drink. Next, let's prepare our chocolate. Take your chocolate bar and finely chop it into small, uniform pieces. This step is crucial because smaller pieces melt much more evenly and quickly when added to the milk. It helps prevent any lumps, ensuring your hot chocolate is perfectly smooth and delightful. A sharp knife makes this task easy. Now it's time to combine and heat everything. Pour your milk into a saucepan and gently warm it over medium-low heat. You don't want it to boil. Once the milk is warm, add your finely chopped chocolate. Stir continuously with a whisk or spoon until the chocolate is completely melted and smoothly incorporated into the milk. Keep stirring until it's silky. Finally, let's finish our delicious hot chocolate. Add your preferred sweetener, such as sugar, maple syrup, or honey, to taste. Whisk the mixture vigorously until it becomes frothy and beautifully combined. Pour into your favorite mug and enjoy this homemade treat. For more great content and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.